How to make your Shopify store live for audience. Currently, as you can see, it is password protected. If we go to incognito mode and enter our domain, as you can see, opening soon, it is not live, it is password protected. We need to enter a password to visit the store. To remove the password, click on remove password from here, or you can go to preferences. We need to turn it off to make Shopify store live. After that, click on save. Now you can see online store is open to everyone. Now everyone can visit your Shopify store or website. Now let's check it again. As you can see, your store is currently live. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can contact me here at my LinkedIn profile. Send me a message to my business email. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.